Everyone, today my topic is types of system calls. So, in this presentation outline, we are going to see what are system calls, scenario of system calls, how a system call occurs, methods of passing parameters to the OS, categories to system calls. What are system calls? System calls provide the interface between a process and the operating system. These calls are generally available as assembly language instruction. System calls can also be made directly through HLL programs for certain systems. Unix system calls can be invoked directly from a C or C++ program. An example of how system calls are used. So we'll get to know the scenario of system calls. Consider a simple program to copy data from one file to another file. The first input of the program will be the name of both files. These names can be specified depending on the design of operating system. Once the file names are obtained, the program opens an input file and create an output file. Each of these operations require other system calls and many encounter possible error conditions. How system call occurs? System calls occur in different ways depending on the computer in use. More information is required than just the identify of the desired system call. The exact type and amount of information varies according to the operation system and call. For instance, to get an input we need to specify the file of device to use as source and the address and length of memory into which the input should be read. Methods of passing parameters to the operating system. Three methods are used in passing parameters to the operation system. The simplest is approach to the pass parameter through registers. The second is by storing parameters in blocks and passing the address through registers. Finally, parameter can be pushed into stack by the program and popped out by the operating system. Categories of system calls. System calls can be grouped into 5 major categories as follows: process control, file management, device management, information maintenance, and communication. Process control. Some system calls under process control are end, abort, load, execute, create process, terminate process, get process, terminate process, wait for the time, allocate and free the memory. System calls under file management are create file, delete file, open, close, read, write, reposition, get file attributes, set file attributes. Some system calls under device management are request device, release device, read, write, reposition, get device attributes and set device attributes, logically attach or detach devices. Information maintenance. Some system calls under information maintenance are get time or date, set time or date, logically attach or detach devices. Information maintenance. Get system data, set system data, get process, file of device attributes, set process, file or device attributes. Communication. Create, delete communication connection, send, receive message, transfer status information, attach or detach remote devices. Thank you.